Hey y'all. So right now we are in Atlanta, Georgia. We're here for a few special things. My uncle is getting married. So we are here to celebrate him. And we're getting ready, getting dressed. As always, I kind of look crusty at the beginning of these videos, but that's why I'm gonna put on my makeup and try to look as cute as possible on this hot, humid day in Atlanta. I like to say that Atlanta is like my childhood home. Like I've been here I've lived life here, like growing up here for so long. It's like, you know, revisiting the old stomping grounds, and my mom is here and we're gonna do our makeup together. So I'm gonna introduce you to my mom. You look cute.
I figured I'd get dressed at least.
Cute. Okay, well, let's do our makeup together. Bottle openers and makeup bags.
Everything.
She does. You always have everything. Okay, I'm gonna open up some wine real quick. You can have the fancy glass. That's too much, but it was.
Like, hey!
It's pretty. It's half of the wine that you had last night.
Moisturizer.
Thank you. The lashes. Oh, these are good. Oh, those are really nice.
Which ones are better?
I think these might look.
Okay.
That's a good start because
Yeah,
I don't want anything too heavy. My mom has never put on lashes before until today, so we're gonna rock these natural ones. These are actually really nice too, but we're gonna go for this one. So let me just get into it because I'm too busy watching her because she's the pro. No, I'm not. Look at these eyebrows. Whee! What's that wolf thing?
Need to shave a little bit off there. Flying round.
They look good. They look, you know, I got them done. I like it. This skirt is working. It's working. Women in my family taught me so many different things about makeup, but mainly my mom. It was the eyebrows. She always had them ready. Nice little arch.
But the one main thing is if you're gonna wear makeup, you gotta wear the best. You
do. That is a very good tip. Good tip from my mom. Definitely always use a good foundation. This is the one that we're using. You ever find yourself when you do your makeup, you're like, your mouth is like wide open?
Yeah.
I'm just stuck. It's like drawing. It's like painting. You get lost in it. Look at that pretty color. It's so pretty. How do I do this? How do I do this?
You don't have a hooded eye like me do.
Whatever. I don't think so.
No, you don't. You have beautiful eyes.
You do. Well, you have the most beautiful eyes, Mom. What are you talking about? Okay, y'all, we moving quick. We trying. This is how she's wearing. This is how she's wearing. This is how she's wearing her hair to the wedding. This is the worst angle, but you gotta look down. You gotta look down at the camera. Look down here.
Oh.
Oh my.
Okay, we gotta get the lashes quickly. Oh God, we gotta let we gotta let it dry. We gotta take the where?
The glue right there.
Is the glue?
Not these, but these. Natural.
Yeah. Okay, just quick look at us before we go. We almost done. I gotta put my lashes on, but you look cute.
Cute.
Okay, wedding time. Bye. Oh yeah, Charles. She don't be sipping, she just be gulping. Look at the newlyweds. Aww. So y'all, we just finished the wedding. Actually, we didn't finish it, but the ceremony is like done. And now we're hopping into the reception. And it was good. Did you like it, babe? You liked it? Reconfirm?
Loved it.
Loved it. Thumbs up. So now we're switching out. We're in this low rental car. Look at my head. Look at this. Look at this. My feet are killing. So I'm gonna switch out into something cooler, more relaxing, and then we're gonna dance the night away. But congratulations to my uncle. It was a wonderful wedding. You guys killed it. Vows were great. Everything was beautiful. The place was beautiful. And yeah, now we're here to celebrate in Hiram, Georgia, in the middle of nowhere. Oh, side note, if you guys ever come to Georgia, just know that wherever you're coming from before, you're not gonna deal with the biggest ants. It's like queen ants. They probably might fly too. I don't know. I mean, everything flies around here.
Lemon? What the hell is that thing?
Chris got the fine dining, and I got the crunch wrap. No, that looks amazing, babe.
Yeah, let me know when you want to try some.
Baby, I'm dipping in this sauce, and I know exactly what it is. Good old Valentina sauce. I asked the waitress, and she was like, "Oh my God, yep, that's exactly it." I love this. It's so good. What I wanted to do today was go to like where I grew up. I used to live in College Park with my mom and my sister for about 4 or 5 years. I have so many memories from this area that we're about to go check out, and it's been a really long time since I've been there. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look completely different. I think the units have been like renovated. You know, there's nothing like going back and just getting the feeling of like, you know, nostalgia. So we're gonna go check that out, and then from there we're gonna check out maybe Stone Mountain. I know it's kind of like a touristy thing, but we're gonna hang out there, maybe do a little bit of a picnic before we hop on the road to make it out to our next destination, which will be Asheville, and then we'll be there for a couple days. So come along with us, and it should be fun. Y'all, somebody's like, there's a speed chase going on. Memory lane. Yep. Big Mart right here.
That's the best.
It used to be gated, so hopefully they'll let us in. Guys, this is where I grew up, man. This is so crazy. That little patio. That's where we lived. I think, yeah, this was definitely us here. But yeah, that bottom area is like boarded. Can you walk down here with me real quick?
Oh my gosh, there's a cat here.
Oh, little kitty cat. She's like, back up. I won't get too close. Oh, honey. Well, babe, please be careful, please. Let me tell you, it's super sketch. We do not need to be here long. For real. I ain't gonna lie. Look at this. Like, no kids here, y'all. Just pretty vacant. I was telling Chris that, like, I have dreams of this place. Like, random dreams. Because there's so many vivid moments of living here. And they were good. They were bad. It's a very hilly place. I'm out of breath. Already. This is like the top of the apartments. And we used to have to walk like quarter of a mile down to the entrance and kind of like take a right just to catch the bus. And I was little. I used to have to do this like every day. And you know, in the morning times in certain seasons, it was dark, you know? So one time, sorry, this is right by the airport too, but it got so bad because there was a woman who recently, like, or at the time when I lived here, there was a woman who shot this guy in the laundromat because he was, you know, trying to rob her or do something, assault her, I think. And my mom was like, we're not having it. So like she gave me and my sister box cutters to carry. Probably wasn't the best thing to do, but I mean, considering that she was a single mom at the time and having to work, and I think she just wanted us to be safe and she thought that was like the best thing to do. Hopefully she won't be mad at me telling this story, but we were trying to survive out here. Like, so I used to just carry it in my bag and I used to tuck it in like a secret little pocket just in case. But I had some tattletale friends when I went to school because one of the girls like needed something out of my bag. So she like found the box cutter, told the teacher was like, you're suspended. And yeah, but it was, you know, hard knock life out here, but a lot of good memories. It's crazy to be here. It truly is. Wild place.
This is the moment she knew it was time to get the hell out.
He lurking. It's time to go. Okay guys, so after we just left that crazy neighborhood, we finally made our way to Tassili's Raw Reality Cafe, a staple that's been serving up healthy eats for over 15 years. Walking into this place felt like we were stepping into a kaleidoscope of flavors and vibes. Now the star of the show, the legendary Mandingo burrito. Yes, it's as bold as it sounds. And watching them craft this hugely packed, vibrant burrito with like veggies, avocado, and their signature spices was like witnessing like a masterpiece in motion. It's wild how they managed to fold like all that health and flavor into like one massive wrap. Like, look at that. It is a must try for any raw food lover or just anybody that wants to give this a try. When you come into the city of Atlanta, go visit. And now we are at Stone Mountain. Wow, look at that, guys. It's like so massive. We're in this big open lawn area where we're gonna have some lunch.
So they do a light show.
It's hot as hell. But yeah, they do shows, you think?
I guess they do a light show.
Yeah, they do light shows here, but wow, look at that. But we decided to stop at Stone Mountain. It's a tourist attraction, but like anybody that lives here, you have to have visited Stone Mountain once, you know? Here's the Mandingo. Oh. Look how heavy this, I mean, it looks,
Put it by your head.
Heavy.
Put it by your head.
Oh my God. Yeah. The magic she pulled to wrap this thing up. Oh my God, I can't believe it. It was really a really awesome thing to see. She already like sliced it in half. We're gonna open it up and try it. All right, let's do it. All right, here we go, y'all. Oh my God. This is crazy. And she managed to get all of that in there. Look how gorgeous that is, though. I wish this was, can we just...
What the kale?
Oh, God. Can we just bring this place with us? All right, you hold it, babe. You go for it.
And
just peel it down?
Just peel it down.
Okay.
Peel it down. Because you otherwise the thing's going to fall apart.
Okay. Look, there's couscous, corn. It's like a coconut cream corn. And seasoned and dressing, like they dressed it up in maybe some type of vinaigrette. So the kale is sweet, zesty. And then we've got, my mouth is watering. And then we got guacamole and maybe some onions or something, but I'm just gonna shut up. I'm gonna shut up and eat. Side. Oh, that's so good. I can taste the nooch in there. They put almonds in here. Avocado is really good. I'm gonna have to slowly take bites of this. But what I tried was really good. It's really sweet, but it's got like a tanginess to it, right? Is that what you got?
A nice spice.
It's creamy. It's really light too, though. It's so heavy. It's so heavy.
Brick.
But this was delicious. I'm so glad. We had to wait in line for quite a long time. And they were short-staffed, I think, but they were so nice. Everyone was very sweet there. They were very patient. They were asking us how we were doing, keeping us slightly entertained with some good music, but they were really sweet, and it was worth the wait. It truly was. Like, not because it's just like this huge Mandingo burrito, but it tastes really good. So, big thumbs up to this place. Please support them if you can. Like, they already have a line out the door. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, Stone Mountain here, like this place is in Georgia. It has like a long and like complex history. It's famous for like the massive carving right there in the middle. And there's like 3 Confederate leaders that are carved in the middle. And originally it was a sacred site for indigenous people. And then later it became significant during the Civil War as a quarry for building materials. And then in the early 2000th century, it was chosen as a site for a Confederate memorial carving.
I don't like where this is going.
I'm not gonna lie. This building and the little, like Chris said, the Confederate situation is a little unsettling. But I appreciate it in hearing the like history of the indigenous people that came here to like, or that was once theirs. Everything after is a little sus. Yeah. Carve these 3 men out. I don't know.
Few moments later.
So literally right after Martin Luther King died, they carved Confederacy superstars into this damn stone.
POS. POS. I bet you, do they talk about that? Is it in the history books? Are they talking about that on this tour?
Like they said it's like
on top.
It's a 3-acre carving. So that's what.
Oh.
3 acres. That can't be right.
I bet, babe. Our eyes are tricking us, you know.
They said it's eventually being removed, but it's not to be altered, concealed, or obscured in any fashion until that time.
And when did they write that? When was that written?
Carving celebrates the Confederacy, a former slave state, and is connected to the KKK and the defense of segregation in Georgia.
How dare we? Let's get out of here. Let's get the hell out of here.
In 2021, the Stone Mountain Memorial Association's board of directors voted to tone down the carving's Confederate image. Tone it down. It's like you can keep
tone it down.
You can keep sound, but just tone it down.
I mean, it's already toned down. Like tone it off.
Property.
Well, the bodies will still be there.
Carve someone else's face.
Body, yaddy, 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 yaddy.